Are you searching for a sewing machine that's portable, easy to use, and built to last? I'm Calvin with Montavilla Sewing Centers, and let me introduce you here to the Bernette 37, an affordable, feature-packed sewing machine that's perfect for both beginners and the more seasoned sewist. So first off, let's talk about its lightweight portability. The Bernette 37 is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it ideal for sewing classes or just moving around your sewing space. Despite its lightweight design, however, it is not lightweight in the slightest when it comes to performance. This machine is all about ease of use. It's a basic computerized model, so you get the convenience of technology without necessarily the complexity of it. The intuitive LCD screen up here is very easy and gives you all the information you need to know about your machine and how it's set up before you even start stitching. And with 50 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and quilting options, this machine can handle a wide variety of utility sewing tasks while offering an additional creative freedom for whatever project you're working on. The digital reverse and needle up-down make pivoting around corners and securing your stitches both easy and accurate. And with the speed regulator built in, you can control the speed of the machine to match both your comfort level and the material that you're working with. Now let's not forget durability. The Bernette 37 is built with a solid metal frame, ensuring it can handle all your sewing projects for years to come. It's robust construction that you can absolutely rely on. And it's got a few other features as well. It's got 5 different buttonholes. It's got a 7mm stitch width for bold, beautiful decorative stitches, a bright LED to keep your workspace well lit, and it comes with 5 presser feet already in the box so that you can tackle any project that you're looking for. So whether you're quilting, crafting, or making clothing, the Bernette 37 delivers professional results. So if you're looking for a sewing machine that's portable, easy to use, and built to stand the test of time, the Bernette 37 is the perfect choice. It's an affordable machine that doesn't compromise on features or quality. Click the link below to get your Bernette 37 today. I'm Calvin with Montavilla Sewing Centers. Happy sewing.